Hi, my name is Anferni Santiago, a student in the University of Canberra. Today, we are going to talk about the Bank of the Philippine Islands and its sustainability reporting for the year 2022 and 2023. There are 11 quality indicators of sustainability performance which measures the company's integrity and sustainability in their annual reports. The sustainability goals of BPI is very much aligned to its present and future goals. For the year 2022 and 2023, the company's business strategies, putting customers first, is very much aligned to its sustainability strategies. The bank uses renewable energy in 51% of its business portfolio. In the company's offices, branches, and other buildings, BPI uses 100% LED lights together with 88% of inverter-type air conditioning. As mentioned by Mr. Roselam Cauco, President of the bank, BPI strikes a balance between stability together with innovation. There are a number of customers gaining from BPI sustainability efforts, from farmers, fishermen, and small and medium businesses, also individual customers. For the year 2023, Bank of the Philippine Islands created a sustainability effort formula named Environmental, Social, Governance plus Economic Strategy. Looking to help more and more customers, the bank introduced 12 new ESG-focused projects such as electronic vehicle financing, solar mortgage, and perpetual green preferred shares. The company as well offered free technical advisory services on sustainable financial solutions to new customers and old customers who are hesitant in the company's new and innovative strategies such as digital banking. BPI also developed 6 new IFC Edge certified Green Bank branches for a total of 11 branches nationwide. This certification system is focused on making new residential and commercial buildings more resource efficient. From 112,000 small and medium enterprises clients in the year 2022, BPI has proudly grew to over 750,000 served for the year 2023 only for the SME clients. Also, for the year 2023, 52% or more than half of the bank's corporate and SME portfolio is in support of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. In the same exact year, BPI has raised over 40 billion pesos in ESG funds alone. With the theme Green and Beyond, BPI held their second annual Sustainability Month for the year 2022 and 2023. Employees are required to attend sustainable training during these times. BPI is the first Philippine bank to mandate its employees to take these Sustainability 101 trainings. This goes to show just how much effort the company and its employees uh, does for the sustainability of the company. BPI garnered 10 sustainability awards for the year of 2022 and 14 or 4 more ESG focused awards for the year 2023. The awards include Market Leader in Environmental, Social, and Governance for the year 2022. And for 2023, they garnered the biggest ESG impact in the Philippines. The Bank of the Philippine Islands supplied the shareholders and the public accurate information in their sustainability reports for the past 2 years. With the bank's pioneering efforts that are inclined with sustainability and technology, it is no wonder why the Bank of the Philippine Islands remain at the top of the banking industry here in the Philippines and in Asia. Overall, BPI has not only lived up, but it exceeded the shareholders, the public's, and the company's sustainability goals and achievements. With an overall rating of 100% or 11 out of 11 in the quality indicators of sustainability performance for the year 2022 and 2023, I believe that BPI will continue to grow not only their customers but also their, their shareholders. Though sustainability and ESG achievements do not necessarily mean financial growth, I believe that in the long run, environmental, social, and governance projects and efforts will help sustain the company and attract more customers and shareholders to buy into the company.